Odofopa. Na no se manchia okrum kasa ho. Inte yote. Why me why you bale? You make a leko phone ma. You me dak bena ma ho. O fa to yote. Me de radio se o ma ye mre. Na ye share house man ka de ya de. Make kasa nyina ha adwuma ntimi nja. Etimu nya me na me nya me program me da mo ase. Ya de se ma ka kire ho. Lafi alo. Kasa na de keke. Ene so me koso ma kire kwan betimi afaso. One of the major factors of relationships is the emotions we generate. One of the major factors of relationships is the emotions we generate. Adia kan ye bomu anatete entem eyatenka e pagya wayemu. Eno nti be kira okwan bia betimi afaso na wabubura na tenkanya. The first thing you have to learn is to perceive emotions. Perceive emotions in yourself, in others. Anapa wa sorry. Sinkonya. Na hwa tenka e pagya wo mu. Na tenka be pagya wo mu e ya dwene a wo dwene ye. Abufuo. Oyodie. Awirewo. Ahahayo. Empo abomfiayo. Empo ehu. Just think about what emotions are coming up in you. Anger, sadness, anxiety, memory, worrying. Then tell yourself, this is wrong. If you're able to perceive your emotions, it is how well you identify what you are promoting in yourself. To perceive emotions means you are recognizing what is coming up in your heart and your mind. And there's nothing wrong catching those emotions and replacing them. The next thing is understanding emotions. Esa unyanti ase ema atinke bi ebe pagya ne mu. Sabufuo pagya ne mu a eha wakoma, eha oyemu ntimi didi. Ena eha obi oben wo. Onkasa mpo a hu wo anim. Se abu oya so pagya ne mu ana ahaha yo pagya ne mu ana awerho so pagya ne mu a you should be able to perceive the meanings behind your emotions and interrupt them as they come. What is causing the emotions? Why are you apprehensive? You don't need to be apprehensive to solve your problems. You know, unfortunately for us, the emotions we generate affect our decision making. The emotions you generate affect your decision making and choices. Hey, I love it. Now, I think I love. Now, after two decision, now nakoda. When you say, wow, I think I could be a Kenya no, I know ne. And the other think I saw more. So to me, shasso. Now, besides, I think I pay me more no. A dear fasode that they brand me. And you'll be obeying me. So you need to understand where your emotions are coming from. What actually stimulates your emotions? And how do you control the things that bring your emotions about? Me adi Kenya matinka, and say me she ni pen crying. Adi Kenya matinka, and say me try yem amenyankopon. Adi Kenya matinka, and say me dwine onyame papa yo awaya mame if me kwada bring besi ndai. Na me dwine ho sa ma ye dware me kra. Ma brabo nyina eye wo se de Bible ne say akoma a wode wo mu no eye duro e de manipa kro. A merry heart is like medicine. And those who are not pa now ama wode ene ni gye antra akoma mu a wapayare amu akoma no ni padua bebre yare bebre ni emwa. Most of the problems we face today are not problems of germs or bacteria. They are merely problems of negative emotions. Is not the me pacho. What sorry na ya na wie ya na nyuma ahwe baby ahwe me no. Bobodia na pagya tenkapa. Na ka kire won say atenka bi o me mu a emmoa me no. De debufuo na nam, de do ya odie na nam, awerho na e wo mu se ni pa be de awerho, ba ya na wa hye ho so kakra. Papa ne je na abrabo be wie payo. Wo hye obi aso ya asere. Na fo wodo e hye ni pakro. De ni pa ya nsa hwe. Ya ba ne be krompo nie. Nti ahomaso nebufu emwaya asetenemu onyame nhyira wate onyame nka ho onyame ma akomapa na atenkapa na fasede eka che onua se medo yo mejina na me de nchia kese ama Michael Osmosis ewo sound ama chia me nua Jonas oja camera chi na ma rap production room na me de salute ama Richmond Mark Welber abija wo be kampedu ene mma na o nyina eye Priscilla ne Sarah onyame enhyiram nyina wo soso wo chena ye behia ono nyame entina